Dear students, today we will discuss about failure of classical mechanics. Okay. Yes, wave mechanics. Right? Failure of classical mechanics. We are asking for about 5 marks question here. Yes. Why classical mechanics is failure? Why we require quantum mechanical approach? Explain. That the question that we are going to ask for 5 marks. Listen carefully, understand the concepts, so that it will be very easy to write at the time of examination. Okay, the concept, the failure of classical mechanics, the failure of classical mechanics. The first point to explain this failure of classical mechanics, why we have introduced the wave mechanics, means first point, stability of the atoms. Stability of the atoms, especially hydrogen atom. We are talking about hydrogen atom, taken from second PUC concept, Rutherford's theory, Bohr's theory concepts. Now I will going to consider Rutherford idea. According to Rutherford, I will explain carefully. You have to listen and understand about that. According to Rutherford, there is a nucleus here. This is the nucleus, which is positive core, which is carrying the positive charge here. This is the nucleus which carries the positive charge. Electron which is revolving around the nucleus like this. Electron which is revolving around the nucleus. It is go on revolving around the nucleus, which is having negative charge. And inside the nucleus, if I am considering, I said nucleus is present. This nucleus comprising of protons and neutrons. Protons carries the positive charge. Neutrons carries zero charge. Neutrons do not carry any charge. These are all the ideas, already we are aware of that. We know all these concepts under the lower class. We know all these concepts. Now, according to the Rutherford's theory, according to Rutherford's concept, there is a positively charged core called by the name the nucleus, which carries positive charge. The nucleus is containing positively charged protons and neutral neutrons, means neutrons which carries zero charge. They embedded, protons and neutrons, they are embedded inside the nucleus. Because of these protons, nucleus which carries positive charge. Nucleus carries the positive charge because of the protons. Neutrons which are neutral in charge, means they do not carry any amount of charge, whereas the protons only that carries the positive charge. This is basic concept. Now the thing is, why the electron is revolving around the nucleus? Why the electron is revolving around the nucleus in a circular path? Because electron which carries the negative charge, here protons carries the positive charge. Here to here there is a force of attraction, that is centripetal force. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between the electron and the nucleus. Nucleus which carries the positive charge, electron which carries the negative charge. Due to these two whatever the force of attraction it is said to be existing here, electron which is attracting towards the nucleus, electron which attracts towards the nucleus.